Alright mobile gamers, listen up. If you're on the hunt for a gaming phone that doesn't torch your bank account, the Infinix GT Pro might just be the dark horse you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. First up, that display. We're talking a 6.78-inch OLED panel, crisp 10-bit color, and a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're grinding in BGMI or just scrolling, it's seriously easy on the eyes. And at 1300 nits, you can actually see the action, even when you're gaming outdoors. Powering it all is the MediaTek Dimensity 8350, a chip tuned for gaming, paired with an advanced 3D vapor cooling system to keep temperatures in check. Basically, your hands stay cool, even in the heat of battle. Now, one of my favorite features, built-in shoulder triggers. Forget awkward on-screen controls. You get actual tactile feedback for those clutch moments. Plus, XBOOST AI kicks in to optimize performance in real time, and there's an esports mode to block out distractions. Perfect for those marathon sessions. And speaking of marathons, battery life is solid. The numbers aren't listed everywhere, but I got hours of gameplay without scrambling for a charger. Major win. The camera's alright, nothing mind-blowing, but let's be honest, you're not buying this to become a pro photographer. The focus here is pure gaming. Design-wise, it screams gaming phone, bold lines, flashy backlighting, and a flat, sleek finish that feels spot-on in the hand. All that for around Rs 25000. That's a bargain for the features you're getting. So, if you want top-tier gaming without a top-tier price, the Infinix GT Pro could be your next upgrade. Fancy giving it a go?